Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tag someone on a tweet. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Now tap on the blue plus circle button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on Post. You can go ahead and type in your tweet or simply upload a video or photo from your gallery. You can now tag anyone on Twitter by simply typing in @ and their username. Tap on Post at the top right of your screen. Now you have successfully tagged someone on a tweet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we upload a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.